Hey, how was your day?
It was good. What about you?
I met a new friend online, and we've been talking every day. We've been playing games together and talking about our lives.
That's great. I'm glad you had a good experience. I've heard some stories about people who've had a bad experience online.
Yeah, I know. I am always careful about what I share and who talk to. I never share my personal information, like my address or phone number.
I met a really mean person online once. They called me names and said really nasty things.
That's awful. I'm so sorry that happened to you.
It's okay. I learned my lesson and I'm more careful now. I never talk to people who are mean to me.
I've also learned to be respectful of others online. I never say or do anything that would hurt someone else's feelings.
That's important too. It's easy to forget that there's a real person behind the screen.
I've also learned to be careful about what I post online. I don't want to share anything that I'll regret later.
That's a good idea. It's also important to be aware of the risks of online predators.
I know. I never meet up with people I meet online in person. It's just too risky.
I've also learned to be careful about the apps before download. I only download apps from trusted sources.
That's a good rule to follow. I also never click on links from people I don't know.
I've learned a lot about online interactions. I'm glad we are talking about it.
Me too. I think it's important to share our experiences so that other kids can learn from them.
I agree. We should all be safe and have positive experiences online.
I know we can do it.
Yes, best of luck.